Hello, are you alright? Okay, so I'm a man of Oxford. Ah, no. Guys, I think I'm in the trenches of London. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Should I? Probably not. Alright, I tried speaking British, like putting the ball thingy right to my nose, but it didn't come. So I don't speak British. Well, this plus it we're right, isn't it? Oh. Rest. Guys, I think I'm crazy, bro. Because I was speaking British, but they didn't answer. When I spoke with my mouth, they answered. I'm trying to speak British, bro. Oh, she threw it to him. No, that's crazy. And the bird. I need a tripod. I need a tripod. Alright, guys. So, welcome to London. Now, I'm not saying if you pay for my courses, you'll make money to travel. You might make enough money to travel because I have a student called Joseph, and well, Joseph made quite a lot of money from paying for courses, and I remember this place. Alright. No, I'm not saying if you pay for my courses, you're guaranteed to make so much money to travel, but I paid for courses and I made so much money to travel. So if you want to be able to make so much money to travel, then you probably should visit www.marketing.tech. Although we have paid courses, you can check out the free courses, and the free courses will give you access to what we have in store for you. So if you don't pay for the paid courses and you check out the free courses can show you what we're going to sell to you. And if you like the free courses, then trust me, you would like the paid courses, because the free courses, they're superb, but the paid courses, the next level. So check out our courses at www.macademy.tech, and we have so many array of courses, from AI web dev to forex, crypto, SaaS. Guys, I'm lost. I'm trying to use the map. I don't use the map. I usually just flow in the city like a drunk lunatic. I don't miss it though. I love sanity. I appreciate my sanity. Alright, so we've got e-commerce, affiliate marketing, WhatsApp business marketing, AI graphics design, AI video creation. We've got an array of courses, guys. So what are you waiting for? Just check out www.macademy.tech and just check out our courses, and we've got you. Alright, back to my treasure hunt. I fancy you.
About the things we can do. Cause you in the pain, I can find you. 6-1, 1,000. What I want, what I want to. 2 text, 3 God, I said, I knew, yeah, I knew.
Get your bitch, you can never hit my nigga. You slide, nigga. She slides, dog. I'm a nigga never earn. The person like never earn. The person like he never earn. Oh, yo. Hungry. I'm angry. I'm angry.
It will be on the screens, and it will be like.
Shit.
Maidenhead. Maidenhead. I'm a maiden. Oh. Hello. Oh, sorry. Excuse me, kind sir.
Yeah.
I'm trying to go to Canary Wharf.
Canary Wharf, yeah. So if you board the next train here in 3 minutes,
Yeah.
2 stops to Canary Wharf.
2 stops, Canary Wharf.
Yeah, that's right.
So do I just where do I tap?
Where are you coming from? Upstairs?
Yeah.
You tapped in already. So that's
Oh,
fine.
thank you, kind
So
sir.
now just touch out at Canary Wharf.
Oh,
to complete your journey.
have a good one, sir.
Have a lovely day.
Oh, have a good one, sir. What's your name, sir? No, I don't care. I'm Jewish. Trail, please. Fire, she a fire star. Fire, fire, she a fire star. She a fire star. I am actually scared as fuck. Damn. Ooh. I don't have a weapon on me. Miss women, bro. No. It's just exactly it's the UK effect.
Via Heathrow Terminals 2 and 3. The next station is Custom House.